I got this. This is what I got in Amazon for $25. And this guy comes with 2 extra battery already. And it's a four-wheel drive car. And it's like an off-road, so you know, I want to go ahead and go to like gravel or anything like that, or even sand or whatever. But it's tiny, so it's gonna be really interesting. And I've been looking around there online and checking everything, and this one fitted my needs. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got. So yeah, man, now it's like they're getting more deals and deals going on. I mean, back in the days when you buy RC cars, you know, you don't even get batteries. Now they're coming up with batteries, they're putting in a combo. Hey, that's awesome, man. And I think that's the way to go. More fun, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and check this guy out. God, I need to take this thing. It's like it's gonna go under the water or something. I guess a good thing. So and I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. And that's the brand. It's let's go ahead and check this guy out. And what's my impression of it? And I'll show you exactly the size of this guy, because I've seen him on the iPhone. I'm trying to size it up with the iPhone, but I don't really see it with, you know, comparing it to like a little drone or something. But we're gonna go ahead and see what he got. Okay. It comes with this transmitter. That's pretty interesting. This is what it comes with. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. And I believe this is the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put this battery for now, because this is what I'm interested on. And here you go. And this is what I got. So this is the, wow. It has like a little suspension to it. And the tire, it kind of have that like a flat feel to it. Maybe it can grip better, but it's tiny. That's what I like. And then you guys can see, I got this color. I think they come with multiple colors, 3, or I think it comes with green, or I know it comes with orange. But yeah, it's tiny. And this guy has a headlight. And most of the RC cars out there don't even come out with the headlights, you know. It comes with this one already come. I don't know if it has a backup light, but hey, you know. Let's go ahead and put this guy out the way. And there you go. And my impression of it, build quality, I'm impressed. You know, they're getting better and better, especially for $25. I mean, you get a four-wheel drive for $25, you know, and that's a cool thing. And let's go ahead, and it comes with this battery. Let's go ahead and check out the battery on this guy. And they even come, look at this. It even comes with the, whoa. It even comes with a battery for your controller, and you get 2 batteries. And this one right here is what milliamp is this one? This is a 700 milliamp. It's a 3.6 volt, so it should have a little power to it. I mean, you know, you can't find something like this for this price. I don't know, but I mean, I've seen one bigger size for like $30 or something like that, or 40. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys here that the suspension on this one is, they have like a little spring to it, like a little shock absorber. But to be honest with you, for this size, I mean, it has no weight, so don't really need, I mean, I don't even think it make any difference, you know. But anyway, hopefully it's not gonna be as bumpy ride. And here you go. Just showing you guys here the battery. And of course, if you have a Tello battery, I mean, you know, so it'll be a big difference. But I'm just saying, man, I don't wanna people think like I'm gonna compare this to, okay, it's totally different. I just wanna compare the size because it's cool, you know. For this, I have so much fun with this guy that if I'm gonna get an RC, I want something that is like this size also. And I found one. And hopefully later on, they can mount the FPV here or something like that, and you can use your, just using your smartphone, and it'd be really awesome if you did that. But anyway, this super muscle racing car is a I call this 1/43 scale, and it's, I would say a micro. I don't know if you can say micro, but it's, I mean, it's tiny enough that, I mean, this is, you can this is the size here. Just showing you guys here. Just using the phone, and of course using the iPhone 10s, you know. So it's about right there. So it's good, and that's a cool thing about it. And let me see here. I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see exactly. Yeah, so if you put it like this, now it's actually an iPhone 10s size, or 10. I think they both are the same, about the same anyway. But anyway, comparison to Tello on this guy here. So it's a little bit bigger, but hey, you know, you can pocket this down and, you know, you can ride around or something, just for fun. And like I said, the good thing about this, guys, like, you know, I think it doesn't matter if, you know, like if you're gonna buy a big one or a small one. I don't think it really matters, you know, because this guy right here, you can pretty much ride it anywhere. See, with the big RC, you can only ride it outside or maybe running around your living room. But this guy right here, you can ride around your table, you know, dining room, and, you know, table or something like that, or your kitchen. I mean, it's tiny. I think it's pretty awesome to, you know, to play around. And of course, it comes with this little RC remote control. And it's a good size. It's not big or anything, but I mean, you know, of course you get this for $25. But just imagine if they add FPV here, and you can control it with your phone. You know, they put like a 720p camera or maybe a 1080p. You know, and I mean, with batteries and everything. But that'd be a game changer right there. So you can get this camera. I'll go ahead and put down the link. And this one right here is you can actually put it on top, and now you can get a 1080p video footage on this RC car. or you can use the 5.8 gigahertz, and you can use a goggles with it or something. You know, you can also do that. But like I said, it'd be really interesting. But yeah, man, and I thought it was pretty tiny. I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be smaller than Tello, or you know, I can't really tell. You know, some guys are going like this and they got small hands, and I don't know. I'm just saying, you know, for, and then they're trying to compare it with other phones, but I'm just like, oh, okay, I don't know exactly the size of it. But now you guys can see the size. So, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy to the field or whatever, anywhere, or maybe now. And that's a good thing about it. And also it comes with this controller here, so you can get this for $25 Amazon, and you get 2 extra battery, and you can also, they also added another battery for your controller. That's very impressive there, you know, for that price. 2 chargers. They even give you 2 chargers. You don't have to, man, you're, you know, it even come with the screwdriver. I mean, you know, look at that. It comes with a nice, I mean, a decent screwdriver. You get a Velcro. This is pretty cool. I don't know what this is for. I found a way. So, but you probably can have in your wrist, you know what I mean? Pretty cool. Yeah, see that? Make life fun. We're gonna make it fun, all right? Once I'm done with you. And then it comes with these 2 chargers, and you can just put in your USB or anything like that, and it'll charge it up. And that's a cool thing because they come with 2. And let me see here. I'm just really, be honest with you, I'm just surprised what, you know, you can get now, especially for $25, you know. And you might get 1 battery, or you might get it for $13, or I don't know how much you're gonna get it for. But if you get it through Amazon, if something happened to this or whatever, they take care of you, especially if you're a Prime member, you know. And I mean, you know, for this size, I'm amazed how, you know, for the size. So very interesting. I mean, it has a little shock absorber, and and also comes with this, even gives you a battery for your controller, and you're good to go. So very interesting. And like I said, you can make it more fun now because only $25. You know, you can buy yourself, you know, a camera for like another $10, and boom, you got a nice HD. And this one shoots 1080p, so you're gonna have a decent quality of video. And you can mount down top of the RC cars, and you can bump this anywhere. It's pretty robust. You can see some of my video. I'm actually like put this on the plane. I got one of those, I call this, those airplane that you can put a mount in the front, and even though you're up there, crash it, never breaks. And that's a good thing. The only time that actually came off with this guy is the SD card. I mean, hitting it really hard on the pole. But anyway, that's enough for me talking, and let's go ahead and put this guy in the field. Like I said, man, I'm just surprised. You know, I'm not really like thought of, you know, something like this would exist for this size, because especially I'm having fun with this rice tello here. But anyway, enough with that, and go from here. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll tell you more about this little RC that I got. And you know, I paid $25 for this. I'm gonna see if it's worth it or not. You know, is it really worth? But I think to me it is already, because You get 2 extra battery. I mean, you know, they even give you a battery for your controller. Can't beat it. So again, thank you, and there you go.